of new knowledge, something you've never learned before. At times you may have known it, but you understood it differently. By the time the thing is put to you, it awakens the one you know. Ideas, skills, values, and experiences. It can be carried out by observation and imitation or modeling. Learning may occur by watching the events in the environment. Human beings are social animals. Through observation of the world or the interpretations of such observations, collect large amounts of information or data through which complex or skill performances are learned. Teaching stroke learning approaches.